For some reason, one of the hardest things for a human to do is to eat right. Whether that is because we have limited access to resources in all areas, or if it is because we simply have too much access to unhealthy food, there are many reasons that eating healthy is a challenge. Sure, we can eat just about anything and it will sustain us. We will manage to move from one moment to the next and be able to call ourselves healthy. But is it really healthy to subsist on a diet of processed foods and sugary drinks? Just because we are alive does not mean that we are healthy. And the older we get, the more our bad habits begin to catch up with us. It is unbelievably important to form healthy eating habits early on in life, or at least as early as possible to prevent any future issues from occurring. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you're going to understand the importance of eating healthy. You will learn how food impacts our bodies and functions. You will understand why our bodies react to food the way they do. You can begin to understand that we are exposed to the suffering that can occur because of bad health choices. You are going to learn exactly how to begin on a healthy eating journey. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Healthy Eating, a step-by-step guide to eat right and be bright. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Why eat healthy? Understanding your relationship with food. The dangers of diet trends. The food pyramid. How food can be your medicine. The health benefits of eating vegetables. The health benefits of eating fruits. The best meat to eat for healthy living. The dangers of processed foods. Bringing it all together with meal planning. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually eat right and be bright. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to take more responsibility for what you put into your body. You want to stop eating unhealthy food. Eating healthy is a challenge for you. You want to have the chance to become the greatest version of yourself possible. You want to learn how to eat right and be bright. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Healthy Eating Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Healthy Eating Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. This mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Healthy Eating Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to eat healthy, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to lock in a huge discount and get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you eat right and be bright. I'll see you on the inside.